Traveling is more than just visiting a new place. It's an adventure that can transform your life. Whether you're exploring a bustling city, relaxing on a quiet beach, or hiking in the mountains, traveling offers unique opportunities to grow, learn, and connect. Let's dive into how traveling can enrich your life and expand your horizons. One of the greatest joys of traveling is discovering new cultures. Every place has its own traditions, stories, and way of life. You might savor an authentic dish you've never tasted before, witness a vibrant festival, or hear a local legend that sparks your imagination. These experiences not only teach you about the world, but also challenge you to see life from a fresh perspective. You realize that, while we may come from different places, we all share similar hopes, dreams, and joys. Traveling also sharpens your problem-solving skills. Imagine navigating a maze of streets in a foreign city where the signs are in a language you don't understand, or figuring out how to catch the last bus after an unexpected delay. Each challenge you face on the road teaches you to think on your feet, stay calm under pressure, and find creative solutions. These lessons stay with you long after your journey ends, making you more adaptable in everyday life. Another benefit of traveling is how it brings people together. Shared experiences create powerful bonds, whether you're traveling with family, friends, or someone you've just met. Think about laughing over a funny miscommunication, marveling together at a stunning sunset, or swapping stories with fellow travelers at a cozy cafe. Even solo travelers often find themselves forming meaningful connections, proving that the world is full of friendly faces waiting to be discovered. Beyond relationships, traveling is a gift for your mental well-being. Taking a break from your daily routine and stepping into a new environment can do wonders for reducing stress. Exploring beautiful landscapes, trying out new activities, and immersing yourself in different surroundings help clear your mind and reignite your sense of wonder. Whether it's the calm of nature or the energy of a new city, every journey has its own kind of magic. Perhaps the most profound gift of traveling is how it broadens your mind. As you encounter new ideas, people, and places, your understanding of the world grows richer. You realize that the world is a tapestry of cultures, each with its own beauty and wisdom. This open-mindedness makes you more creative, empathetic, and curious about life. Finally, traveling allows you to create lasting memories that you will cherish forever. Whether it's snapping a picture of a breathtaking landscape, sharing a heartfelt conversation with a stranger, or experiencing a once-in-a-lifetime moment, these memories become a part of who you are. They serve as a reminder of the beauty and adventure the world has to offer, encouraging you to continue exploring. In the end, traveling is not just about seeing the world. It's about discovering yourself. Every trip teaches you something new, not only about the places you visit, but also about who you are. So, pack your bags and set off on your next adventure. The world is waiting, and every journey is an opportunity to learn, grow, and be inspired.